This is section 7, number 9. You're finding the missing length indicated here. Notice that there are some red marks here. So the left side, it is divided into two congruent pieces, and the right hand side is also break into two congruent pieces. This means this middle part here of EF is considered to be the mid segment. Because this is considered to be the mid segment, we can set up a very interesting formula. I'm going to call this the short, and I'm going to call this the long. Okay, and I'm going to write this statement here. Okay, so if there is a mid segment, you can set up the equation, the 2 times the short equals the long. Okay, there you go. That is the idea that we want to set up. If there's a mid segment, the equation you could set up is 2 times the short is equal to the long. So 2 times the short, which is going to be x plus 2, that's going to be equal to the long of x plus 10. All right, distribute this in. This becomes 2x. 2 times 2, it is a 4. It equals to x plus 10. Subtract x from both sides. You get x plus 4 is equal to 10. Minus 4, you get x is equal to 6. So if we plug this in here, 6 plus 10, this gets you in 16 right here. And if we plug in a 6 here, this gets you an 8. All right, so that makes sense. 8 is half of that 16. Perfect. Same idea here for B. If there's a mid segment, you could set up that equation. 2 times the short, so 2 times x minus 2 is equal to the long of x plus 3. Distribute this in, 2x, distribute 2 times negative 2, which is negative 4. Subtract x to both sides. This cancels, leaving you with an x minus 4 is equal to 3 plus 4. This cancels. X is equal to 7. If we plug it back in, 7 plus 3, this whole thing here becomes the value of 10. Plug in a 7 here. 7 minus 2, this becomes a 5. That is a 5 for the mid segment, and the long part, which is half, which is double it, which is going to be 10. And the last one, the idea is very similar. Okay, if there's a mid segment, you could set up the equation. 2 times the short is equal to the long. So the short here, it is 2x minus 14. We multiply 2 because it's 2 times the short. The long is just x plus 2. Distribute this in, this becomes 4x. This becomes negative 28 is equal to x plus 2. Minus x to both sides. This does cancel, leaving you with a 3x. Minus 28 equals to 2. Plus 28 to both sides. This gets you 3x is equal to 30. Divided by 3 to both sides. This cancels, leaving you with an x is equal to 10. Right, so there you go. You can plug it back in to double check your work. But there you go. If there is a mid segment, you're allowed to set up this interesting equation where you double the short value, and that's going to get you the longer value.